Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall Microsoft Edge from your Windows computer, then I should let you know that the option has been removed by Microsoft. So you cannot uninstall Microsoft Edge. It has been grayed out. Now, people started using Revo uninstaller, but it didn't work. So I'll give you two options. The first one is search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Open the Task Manager window, go to this tab, the startups tab on the list on the left hand side. This is the icon. It's called the startup apps tab. Now right click on Microsoft Edge and select disable and restart your computer. Right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer. Microsoft Edge will not open at startup, and you can always remove it, unpin it from the taskbar, so it won't even be visible on the taskbar after that. So this is one case, and the second one is, okay, it's visible right now because something is open on Microsoft Edge, otherwise it won't be visible. So the second solution is using the Voice program uninstaller. Now you can search for it on Google, you can search for it on Bing, you can go to this website vicecleaner.com and click on free download, and then click on open and install this downloader, because this is a uninstaller which will work if Revo is not working. And then I'll click on this and I'll click on yes to give permissions, and I'll click on yes once again, and I'll click on install, and then I will click on finish, and it will launch the uninstaller. Okay, if the screen is going blank again and again, the reason is that the Voice uninstaller is installing. And now you'll find Microsoft Edge here. You can simply check the box associated with it and click on uninstall. This will definitely uninstall Microsoft Edge, and this will be very helpful for you. And it's the free version. You only need the free version to uninstall Microsoft Edge. You don't need to pay for it. Thank you for watching this video. If this was helpful, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.